In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Jira groups. To begin with, let's set the stage for what we're undertaking today. Jira is a powerful tool for project management and development teams, and at its core, it helps keep tasks organized and teams in sync. Sometimes you need to manage people on different levels, and viewing Jira groups is key in understanding how your organization is structured within this platform. So let's dive into the steps involved in accessing and viewing these groups. First, you'll want to navigate to the starting point for this process, which is your work in Jira. This section serves as a personal dashboard where you can see the work assigned to you, the work you have bookmarked, and even the work that you recently viewed. This area is your base, your jumping off point for exploring what you're involved with and what's progressing in your project landscape. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your organization's Jira URL and your credentials. Once you're in your work, you'll need to locate the settings menu. This is typically found at the top right corner of your screen, usually depicted by a gear icon. The settings menu is where you'll manage broader aspects of Jira that aren't tied directly to specific work items, but are more generally related to the workings of your team's project environment. Clicking on this will open up a list of administrative and configuration options. As you access the settings, direct your attention to the user management option. This is the gateway to how users are handled and organized in your Jira instance. Think of user management as the control center where you can invite new members, assign roles, and manage access rights. It's where you organize the people that make up your team, ensuring that each one has the necessary permissions to carry out their assigned tasks in Jira. Next, from the user management page, look for the Groups section. By selecting this option, you'll enter the realm where users are grouped according to their roles or responsibilities. Each group can represent different teams, departments, or even levels of access across the system. Viewing these groups will give you a clearer understanding of the structure within your Jira environment, making it easier to ensure everyone is properly aligned and coordinated. Now that you have access to see the groups, you might be wondering what these groups are used for. Essentially, groups are a way to manage sets of users who share similar needs for permissions and access. For example, you might have a group for all project managers who need access to specific project boards or admin functionalities. Alternatively, you might have groups that reflect different teams, like developers or QA testers, ensuring they have the appropriate access to the tools and resources they need. While viewing these groups, you can also double check to ensure that all users are accurately represented. It's a great time to cross-verify that your group configurations match your team's current structure and roles. Ensuring that people have the right access is crucial, not only for productivity, but also for security and control within your project activities. Once you've reviewed the groups, you can always make adjustments if needed. Perhaps you'll need to add new members to a group or adjust permissions based on a new project requirement. If modifying groups is within your administrative rights, make sure to follow your organization's policies for changes in access and permissions to maintain a seamless and secure working environment. As we wrap up this guide on viewing Jira groups, remember that understanding your organizational structure within Jira is an ongoing process. Teams evolve, projects develop, and the way you manage access and permissions should reflect that dynamic nature. Regularly checking and maintaining user groups ensures you're keeping step with these changes. By staying informed and proactive in managing Jira groups, you contribute to an efficient and secure project management ecosystem. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully you now have a clear understanding of how to view and interpret the groups within Jira. Thank you for joining, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Jira tips and tricks. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content tailored to help you and your team succeed in your project management endeavors. Until next time.